So over here you can see that I have a table, and if I were to go around and then add in, let's say for example, a short text right here. So I'm just going to go around and open up a bracket, press C on my keyboard and close it, and press space, and what happens is that it gets converted into a corporate symbol, as you can see. So you can control this out by going into file right here and by going into option, and over here you can see proofing option is here. So autocorrect option is what controls these kind of things. So if you were to click on this, then here you can see that if I were to type in this, it replaces it with this right here. Similarly, I can also go around and add things right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here and type in, let's say for example, TT right here, and I want to replace it with tube just like this. Then I can go around and press add. Then this is what you have. You can press OK right here, press OK. So if I were to go around and press TT and space, it replaces it with tube, as you can see right here. You can go around over here into file, and if you were to go to option right here, you can see that there are different correction option over here as well. So over here you can see that there's something called dictionary. So if I were to go around and type in MALEE and go to spell check option right here, it says that this is an error, so it allows me to change or ignore or correct this out. So I'm just going to change this, and the spell check is complete, as you can see right here. You can go around over here onto option, and you can go to custom dictionaries over here and edit the word list. So if I were to type in MALEE and add it over here, then what happens is that it won't show it out as spelling error anymore. So here I have MALEE right here. So if I were to click on spelling, it says the spelling is complete right there. So I can go around over there and remove that out as well. So if I were to go to custom dictionary, on to edit word list, so MALEE right here. So this is the spelling, as you can see. So if I were to delete this right here, let me delete this and press OK and OK again. So if I were to go around onto spell check again, now it shows it out as an error again, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with the proofing option. So if I were to go around into option right here into proofing, you can see that you can even select out different languages that you want to proof in as well. So this is how you can work around with the proofing settings inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.